Hi friends, if you are new to my channel, click the red subscribe button below and click the bell icon for latest update. Today I am show you how to make a push on and push off LED bulb circuit at home. So let's start it. We need a breadboard, and you see this is a timer IC, and insert this timer IC on breadboard. Insert the push button on this breadboard. We need a 10K resistance and connect pin 1 and pin 6 of this IC. Connect pin 2 and pin 6 by a wire. Connect pin 4 and pin 8 by a wire. We need a 10K resistance and connect pin 6 and pin 8. We need a 1 mA 60 volt capacitor and the negative point of the connect IC pin 1. We need a 10K resistance and connect positive point of the capacitor and pin 3 of this IC. We connect pin 2 and push button by wire. We connect positive point of the capacitor and push button by a wire. We connect the LED positive point pin to the IC number pin 3. We need a 220 ohm resistance and to connect the negative point of the LED and the battery negative point. We connect pin 1 and battery negative point by wire. Connect pin 8 and battery positive point by wire. We insert the battery positive point and battery negative point on the breadboard. So now testing. I am click the push button and you see the light on and off.